The defending champions Mount Pleasant will host Montego Bay United as 5 matches are slated for the Wray Nephew Jamaica Premier League on Sunday. Mount Pleasant have gone 8 matches unbeaten, with Montego Bay United seeking their 3rd win in 4 games. Now, the match kicks off at 3:30 p.m. as part of a doubleheader at Jack's Hall in St Anne. In the curtain raiser, Dunbeholden will face off against Malines United. Only goal difference separates the St Catherine-based team from a playoff spot. And head coach of Dunbeholden, who is Lenworth Hyde, says it's serious business from here on out. Waterhouse, who hold the last playoff spot, will battle Humble Iron at Effortville. Humble Iron are 11th on 18 points. Marcel Gale says his team is taking it one step at a time. In other matches on the day, Vere oppose Limehall Academy at Effortville, and Tivoli Gardens battle Portmore United at Stadium East. Now, Falkland handed Medforest United another defeat as they ran out 2-0 winners in the JFF Tier 2 League at Westbow Park in St James. With the first half looking like ending goalless, Shanoy Anderson broke the deadlock in stoppage time to make it 1-0. And 13 minutes into the second half, Chad Howell put the game to bed as he made it 2-0.
We have been working on the attacking pros. We've been coaching 2 lines in training, the middle and the attacking line, and it paid dividends for us again today. We scored 2 goals. I mean, we get some other goals. You know, I think Medforest keeper did well by saving those shots on target.
It was a good game, you know. It was a good game. Unfortunately, we can't see 2 goals. But I think 3 games in 9 days was good enough. But I think lack of concentration in some areas of the field cost us. But it's work in progress.
No, it's